She's a peach. Like I said, I would hate to have to do without Linda. Linda is really, really a peach. I love her to death. I really do. She is a peach. And she makes us happy. She fulfills a lot of our needs. We got somebody to take care of, and we have all this space, and Linda fills it well. As a human, she deserved to be treated with respect. She deserved to get her needs met. She deserved all that stuff. And my job is to make sure these things happen.
Shirley and her husband Melvin are sponsored residential providers with DePaul Community Resources. Sponsored residential providers offer person-centered, compassionate care that engages children and adults with developmental and/or intellectual disabilities as part of a family. Sponsored homes provide safe and supportive environments that encourage and protect individuals' independence, dignity, and personal choice.
Lady was in bad shape. She was in bad shape. And right away when I went to visit her, I was like, oh.
When we first got her, it looked like she really needs somebody. And I think we did a lot of help for her. And she understanding. And she looked like all the time she appreciated what we do for her, you know.
To live in a sponsored residential home, individuals with disabilities must qualify for a Medicaid-funded Home and Community-Based Services Waiver, also referred to as the DD waiver. Waivers are the only public funding source for long-term developmental disability supports. They help individuals with disabilities live successfully in the community rather than in an institution. The Home and Community-Based Services Waiver covers everything from nursing and residential supports to assistive technology and employment. Waivers can be life-changing for individuals with disabilities, but they are not always easy to access. According to the Virginia Department of Behavioral Health and Developmental Services, as of May 2021, 13,730 individuals were on the wait list for a Home and Community-Based Services Waiver. CaseForInclusion.org reports that more than 400,000 individuals are on waiver waiting lists nationwide. Individuals with intellectual or developmental disabilities may wait more than a decade for help they desperately need, help that gave Linda hope and the life she deserved.
And at the first beginning, she was very unhappy. She was very unhappy at the beginning. She was very unhappy. And after, I think about a month or so, she began to trust us. Once she got to trust us, things began to change, and she knew that we wasn't going to hurt her, and we had her best interests at heart.
Well, I feel good about it. I feel good, and my whole family really feels good. And most all our friends, wherever we take her, everybody wants to see Linda. If they call 2 or 3 times a day here, how is Linda? Because when they first seen Linda, Linda was a different Linda. But now we look at it like Linda is a real Linda now.
To learn more about becoming a sponsored residential provider through DePaul Community Resources, please visit DePaulCR.org.